This exam application tutorial is on the topic of thermoregulation. The question for 6 marks: explain how changes in the volume of blood flowing through the skin help keep a constant body temperature. So first think to yourself, what changes the volume of blood flowing through our skin? Well, there are two processes. Firstly, we have to explain how vasodilation cools us down, and explain how vasoconstriction reduces heat loss. So firstly, if our body temperature rises, vasodilation occurs. What this means is muscles in the skin's blood vessels relax. You don't have to say this, but you can. And here you can see the muscles there, they're relaxing. So the diameter of this blood vessel gets wider. This increases the volume of blood flowing through the skin. Now this is wider, blood can access the top or near the surface of our skin and flow closer to the surface where it can exchange heat with the environment. This increases heat loss through radiation. You must write out the process of heat loss, and therefore lowering the body temperature. Always link vasodilation to heat loss through radiation. If our body temperature falls, however, vasoconstriction occurs. Here, muscles in the skin's blood vessels contract, so this muscle will start pulling and basically constricting or shortening the diameter of this blood vessel, and that will prevent blood flow to the surface of the skin, and it'll have to run deeper. So this reduces the volume of blood flowing through our skin, so less heat is lost through radiation. So just a quick recap, vasodilation means blood flows to the surface of the skin, a greater volume of blood that is, and that increases heat loss through radiation. That's why if we're hot, our skin appears redder in colour because there's more blood flowing through the skin. If our body temperature falls, vasoconstriction occurs, and that reduces the volume of blood flowing through our skin. In other words, it flows deeper down. That's why your skin can look pale when you're cold. This reduces the volume of blood, and so less heat is lost through radiation. See the rhythm of the question. Vasodilation, more volume, lost through radiation. Vasoconstriction, less volume, less heat is lost through radiation.